Slightly more complicated equations, where we have the variables as the denominator of a fraction, and then before we can solve that fraction, we're going to rearrange the rest of the equation. The idea is when your variable is positive, just keep your equation the way it is in terms of where your variable is. So I'm just going to keep a over 5 on the left. I will grab 1, cross the line, change the sign, so it's going to be 3 minus 1, so it's going to be 2, meaning a over 5 equals 2, and we've done that before. Since this is king, you will multiply these two. A equals 2 times 5, and it will equal 10. Next question. Again, x plus 4 is positive, so I'm going to keep it on the right. Grab 8, cross the line, change the sign. 10 minus 8 equals x over 4. That gets us 2 equals x over 4. Therefore, multiply again, x is king. It's going to be 2 times 4, 8. X plus 5 kept on the right. This goes to the left as a negative. Negative 2 equals x over 5. X is king. Negative 2 times 5, x equals negative 10. X plus 2, keep it where it is. Grab 5, cross the line, change the sign. So x over 2 equals negative 2 and negative 5. So that's going to be negative 7. Half of x equals negative 7. X is king, so x is going to be negative 7 times 2, negative 14. The next four equations are going to be a little bit more complicated because now it's not just straight variable as is, but it has something added or subtracted from it. So the first step we're going to make is we're going to get rid of our denominator, so multiply by it. So it's going to be 2 times 2 will give us just the numerator, and I'm going to flip it so I can get my variable. So that gets me 4 equals n minus 5, where n equals 4, grab this over there, plus 5 equals 9. The answer, n equals 9. Here, again, first, we're going to multiply by the denominator. Negative 4 times 2 equals b plus 8. So negative 8 equals b plus 8. Grab positive 8, cross the line, change the sign, negative 8. Minus 8 equals b, negative 16 equals b, or if you would like, you could just flip it like that, b equals negative 16. Multiply by the denominator. N minus 4 equals negative 21. That's negative 7 times 3. Then I grab my negative 4, cross the line, change the sign, n equals negative 21 plus 4, n equals negative 17. And that's back to a little bit of easy stuff. I can multiply by negative 3 right away, or my other option is rearrange first. So I'm going to cross the line, change the sign. 13 minus 8 equals n over negative 3. So that's 5 equals n over negative 3, or you can also say it's like negative n over 3. So then I'm going to just flip it the way it is, or you can multiply by negative 3. So it's going to be negative 15 equals n, or n equals negative 15.